So this is the Fire Maple Titanium Lotus stove. Called a Lotus stove because it folds out. It's got these little side wings which can fold in or can be folded out. Weighs 70 grams. 71.3 on the box, but I weighed it and my two scales both said 70. So I think 71 including the box. And I've just boiled some water and made tea, but can you cook with this? Let's find out. I like to use solid fuel rounds, by the way, which work way better than Esbit tablets because they last about 30 minutes. So we'll do some cooking and see if this is a good emergency stove, which I've already used it a few times, and I can tell you, spoiler alert, yes, it's a great emergency stove. It fits in your pocket like an Esbit stove, and it's lighter and more versatile with these sides on it. So this is what a gel tablet looks like, a solid gel tablet. There's a Japanese version which is blue. These work great. Now I tell you that Fire Dragon won't work because they will just run out the bottom unless you have a little foil cap like this one comes in. So let's put it to the test and see if we can actually do some cooking with this. So this is what they burn like. You open up the cup slightly if you want a faster, hotter burn. So let's put some cast iron on and see. This is perfect height for boiling and for cooking. Oh yeah, you can cook on this alright. This is really grilling up nicely. So this pork steak is really cooking great. The flames are really hot, and the advantage of these alcohol gel solids in rounds is they last forever. They last like 30 minutes. Now the last 5 minutes is a bit weak, but they last a long time, and they're way cheaper than Esbit fuel. And by the way, you can also burn liquid alcohol with one of these flat burners that you can get on eBay and Amazon. They contain carbon felt, and they work good too inside the Fire Maple Lotus stove. So this is cooking up great. We'll come back at the end. I've already boiled water for my breakfast, and so for camping, glamping, van life, this actually works very well because it's very light, except for the cast iron TNR camping cooking pans. They come in a set of two. They're a bit heavy because they are cast iron, but you can also come up with another grilling option if you want. There's probably a titanium grill I could cut down to make a better grill for this. Yeah, this is cooking up nicely. Like I said, you can also get a titanium grill, cut it down, and make a lighter weight option for instead of the cast iron or steel plate.